Good morning and welcome to Urbana, Colorado, where we spent a night out here in the ballpark, a little camping ground along the Rimrocker trail. And I actually made a video last night, but apparently I time-lapsed it. So here's the actual video of me talking. I've pulled everything out of the panniers and have it all laid out here. I'll run through it real quick. I don't think anybody actually cares what kind of crap I carry, but just in case somebody does. I got a sleeping bag and a pillow. It's a down sleeping bag, so it packs down pretty small. It's a 0-degree bag. This is actually my food utensils are in here, my spoons and knives and cups and blah blah blah. Water purifier, toe strap. This is my inflatable pad. Here's my tent. It's a one-man tent. I've always hated one-man tents. I made a mistake and I brought the one-man tent. I will never do that again. Here's the poles. Get a two-man tent. Here is my little cycle pump so I can air my tires back up. You can see I rode in on the road here, and then we're going to go back into the mountains. There's a little bit of road riding, and the bike gets a little squirrely when your tires are down around 10 psi. This is my food bag. It's actually pretty small. I'm only ate last night, and I'll probably have a couple bars today. A jet boil and a canister. Here is my tool roll, all unrolled. I want to show you that in a little bit. It's my little bag full of GoPro crap. My clothes bag, that includes a puffy in there too, so I usually tend to ride stinky. And my backpack, my helmet, my tank bag. And then here are all the bags that I'm going to put all that stuff in. Real quick for the tank bag, which will go on the front of the bike. Sunglasses, connectors to charge things, my little Django, right, for recording video off the front of your helmet. Right, that clips on your front of your helmet. A couple bars, headlamp, knife, flashlight. There's my map. So far I've been using to navigate, I've been using my iPhone, what is this, the Backcountry Explorer app. And it's worked amazingly well. Right, here's the trail's actually up here. We're down here in the ballpark. Came down this little road. Today we need to get back on the trail, so I'm gonna come back up here, and I think I'm gonna follow that. I might have to do the workaround part of the trail, because we've had kind of a record runoff of water this year, and there's a couple water crossings on the Rimrocker, right? And this is the stream right now. It is just bank to bank, so we might go around. All right, well, that's enough of me talking. I'm gonna pack all this stuff up and put it away and get back out on the trail, see if I can get into Moab today. All right, real quick word on tools. I showed you my tool roll. This has got all kind of the big stuff, tire changing, whatnot, tire wrenches, sockets. extra nuts and bolts, hose clamps, whatnot, zip ties. That's all in here. This has got a little bit of weight to it. This goes up in my tank bag, right? This is enough to fix 99% of whatever befalls you. You know, multi-use screwdriver, adjustable, the smaller set of Allens. I don't want this to weigh too much. And that lives in my tank bag. Only because when I pack everything up in the panniers, this is pretty heavy, so I tend to put it at the bottom and keep all the heavy stuff down at the bottom. And along with all that, I've got a gallon of gas stored in my ghetto gas holder. I've got a gallon of gas, or 2 liters of gas over here, 2 liters of gas over here for an extra gallon. I actually have some 2-liter fuel friends on order. They should be here tomorrow. I've got the Zeta hand guards. They're actually sitting at my house. I had to leave before a UPS guy could show up. These poor service are all beat up. I'm not sure why. I don't know what happened. 2 months ago they looked brand new. Must be bad quality. All right, let's get on the road. Another tip for your Mosko Motos, along with using this, because you can never have too much protection from the heat, is as soon as you put an extra 40 or 50 pounds at the back of the bike, it's going to squat. So I stand on my tippy toes normally. When all the luggage is on, I'm pretty much flat-footed. You're going to really want to know where that little screw is. And that is your headlight adjustment. So as soon as you put weight on the back, your headlight's going to aim 20 feet above all the cars. And it's going to make your headlamp pretty much worthless. So if you need to use it, just have a Phillips screwdriver ready and get out there on the road, and hopefully with you sitting on it, go ahead and adjust your front light, or it's next to useless.